Good evening, good evening. Haven't seen anybody in a while. I'm so happy to be on here with y'all. We are trying dark chocolate covered pistachios. Something new that I brought from Trader Joe's. We're gonna see what it's sitting on. And then I got this one as well. Trader Joe's dark chocolate organic sticks. We'll try this one first. Being that it's open, let's try it and let's see what's sitting on. And we're going to rate it 1 through 10. That's how it looks, see it? Nice. Chocolatey, crunchy. Pistachio-y. Just like a hint of salt in it. Really good. Crunchy chocolate. I think this is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. They say dark chocolate is real good for you too. Let me try this one. This one is the dark chocolate orange stick. Okay. Let's try that now. Make sure you comment, like, click, share, and subscribe. That's the orange in here. Again, chocolatey. I like the taste of the orange as well. Bursting with flavor. The dark chocolate is on point. It really make it pop. You could taste the orange flavoring in there as well. Yep. Anyways, y'all, both those get a 10 out of 10. And if y'all want to buy it, make sure y'all go to Trader Joe's. They got them all over the place. I rated it a 10. Highly recommend it. And then, which one do y'all like? Do y'all like this one? Do y'all like this one? My personal favorite is this one. But tell me which one would y'all buy if y'all had to buy them. It's nice to have parties and stuff like that as like a snack. I love these. Real good. 10 out of 10. Which one would y'all buy? Okay. Alright, y'all. Okay. Bye.